Well, hello. Did you know that Canva had just launched some more products? And well, I was going to tell you about it early on, but I have a cough and my sore throat. So bear with me. I'm feeling better, but I still have some, little coughing here and there. So anyway, I want to show you what Canva had launched recently. They are amazing. There's too many things they are launching, new updates. And as you can see on my screen, it has changed again. And you see here, these are the new launch updates they have added to Canva, which makes Canva a really good resource for you, for fun, and for your business. So let's check this out. What is this? Let's click on that and see what happens. So this is like the dashboard for everything you want to try. Whiteboard or a Facebook post or cover, logo, all this. This whiteboard is new. Well, it's been there for a while, but if we click on this, let's see what happens. And this is what you see with a whiteboard. White. Now, there's templates you can use, so you can pick the templates here on the left side of your screen. You can scroll down and there's tons of whiteboard templates you can use for your business to organize things. Isn't that amazing? I like it. I can see how it can help me, and I know it can help you. Just look at this. You can tell immediately what it can help you with. Organizing your plans, your business, your projects, and all that. And they come in colors. They come in squares. They come in pictures. Let's look at this. I like that. The pictures. So here, if I click on that, it will show on the screen what it is. And as you can see, I clicked twice and I had two of them. So I'm gonna delete this. This is, the whiteboard is unlimited. So if I click on this, then I can see the other one. I have it there. If I want it big, then I go here and make it big so I can see better. And as you can see, let me close myself here so it can show more. So if you look at it, see, you can see if you want it big, then you can make it big. So it's easier for you to make some changes, add notes or comments here. What do you like about this food? Oh, everybody likes food. And then if you're done with that, you go back down, make it smaller, and then you can pick this side. You can make it big and then scroll on the bottom. You can see, you can scroll it from here. That way it's easier for you to make some changes. And just like that, you can change this. You can add this, like copy, you can delete it, like delete it, but we like that to make it nice, even. So keep it. And so when you click on it, then it gives you an option to add comment, copy, delete. And if you click on the three dots, you will have more options to copy it. So this is, I like this one too, because when you copy, click copy, you can just go to any place inside Canva in your projects, and then you click on the paste and it will copy this exact box and it will be in the same place. So that's really, really cool. You don't have to go back and forth. You just copy and then paste it to where you want it to be. And that's pretty much it with all this whiteboard. But of course, use your imagination to create more, make it better. Like this, you can create more, add. All this are already there. You can just copy it, like duplicating it, and then you can paste it somewhere. When I duplicate it, it gives me two of them. Then I can add it somewhere here. And now I have two of them. And just like that, you can create a beautiful design on Canva. And this, you can also share this with your team. That way, when they see something that they want to change, they can edit this. You can add your team in this project. So that's one update, whiteboard. Use it, enjoy it, and have fun with Canva. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more updates on Canva. Thank you.